my work with the foundation began with the suicide death of a child, and we support and pursue justice for men, women, and children who are subjects of constitutional violations. And we're blessed to have you, Mr. Volpe, and you, Mr. Luthman, who are brave and incredibly talented voices of the public, unintimidated and fair to the nth degree. I mean, your intellect and your incisiveness in terms of presenting fair and concise arguments are, I think, are just beyond amazing. We've never had any such support. You don't see ProPublica doing the depth of writing that you do. So I'm thrilled with you, and I'm really
ProPublica
very
spend money on it.
grateful to have you on today. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
Rick, you want to end it with anything else you want to add on this case?
Well,
Um,
we'll see
the
where that
foundation
Well,
is
hold
goes.
on,
growing,
Rick, you want to end with
I'm
anything
just
else you
trying to
want
get.
to add?
and the book number
Jill,
two
let him
is
speak.
coming out.
All right.
Okay.
What?
Well, what I do want to say is that there's much more, I think, in the Vidal case. There's also much more related to what we're looking at both in New Jersey, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lot going on there, but all across the country. Very briefly, and I'll let Jill speak on this, is I'm going to be coming out with some follow-up on the Flanigan case over in that I talked about in Portland. I'm going to have a follow-up on that case. We're also looking at some stuff in Connecticut related to the family courts, obviously related to Paul Boyne and his prosecution, but other matters in Connecticut. We have cases all around the country, even in Illinois, Mike, that you're covering. But I know Flanigan, and I'm going to be coming out with something on that. Jill, if the 30 seconds, can you tell us what's going on with Flanigan?
We had a tremendous success yesterday in a hearing under DCF. DCF had been promoting the transfer of these children who have been sexually abused, physically abused, faced uh, the visions of their mother being beaten to a bloody pulp as well. DCF was saying that the mother was fantastical in her complaints, and that she was promoting parental alienation of the children because they had reported assault to everybody they could possibly speak to. We have again expert medical brain scan factual evidence. DCF in a hearing yesterday is saying that the father, who is a under supervision of probation for DUIs and there are other criminal actions, that he is not going to gain custody of the children. DCF was adamant about the transfer of the children to the father, who is implicated in very, very serious murder, criminal activity. There's evidence of terrible abuse, and there's evidence of medical scientific brain scan evidence, again, of brain injuries to the mother. And we have documented and preserved evidence of literally hundreds of videos, statements, written statements, very well documented case. We're going to trial on this case, but at the moment, the children remain in foster care, not with their mother. The accusations against the mother were so sordid, were so abusive and cruel. She's an RN nurse practitioner. The allegations were just absolutely untrue, and suppression of the evidence of the father in terms of his probation status and his drug and alcohol abuse was never submitted. I I was the one who wrote to and filed complaints against DCF and the practices that they deployed. subsequently, I have a complaint from the Oregon Psychology Board with all kinds
All right,
of
Jill,
false
we gotta wrap it up.
accusations.
We gotta wrap it
And
up.
so the
Okay.
bottom
All right.
line, Jill and Mike, the bottom line is that there was great success there, and and we're going to be writing about some of that.
All
Some of
right,
the other.
and Hannah
And we have
Giles from
success
now.
after
Oh, we
success,
got it. We got it.
but
Hannah
it comes
Giles
at a
from now
cost.
writes
But it
at the
comes at a
News Journal
cost.
Republic. Did great work at ProPublica. ProPublica has done great work on family court. Thank you guys for
Not
being.
enough. Not enough.